So if you want to upload landscape video on Instagram Reels without using any other software rather than the Instagram, watch this video till the end and you will find it. So here, let me just open up my Instagram application. There you go. Right after that, simply go and select the plus icon in the bottom, and now we will go with this landscape video, this one. So right after that, simply go with the next, and now as you can see, we got a black border with the video. All right, but if you don't want that, and if you want to make it like zoomed in, you can simply do that by zoomed it up and attach like this. All right, it will basically remove the black screen of the video, but what it gonna do, it will zoomed in the video. All right, so if you don't want to zoom in the video, so you can simply zoom it down like this. You can adjust or frame it up as you want. So this is one of the way, but if you don't want to crop anything but you want a full screen, here is another trick I will show you right now. You need to first move your whole mobile phone like this. All right, this is the landscape mode. So now you need to move your video as well, like 90 degrees. All right, so let me just move it up and adjust to the screen size like this. As you can see guys, this video looks now perfect, and sometimes you will probably see, or less or more you will see these kind of videos where the video is on the vertical mode and it shows you to move your screen onto the right side or left side to get the final view. All right, so by this time you will get to know how you do that. So we will successfully adjusted the aspect ratio. Right after that, we will go with the next, and as you can see, if we go with the preview, it is looking like this, and go with the next and share. So it will take some time to upload. So let me just show you how it look like finally in our Instagram feed. Alright, so as you can see guys, we have successfully posted the video. So if we go to the Reels section and open this Reels up, and as you can see, this Reels on the vertical mode and it covers whole the screen, but you need to move your screen like this to see what's going on. You can add a hook like move your screen onto the left or rotate your screen like that. In the hook you can add rotate your screen and then play the video like this. Like if we show the real example, so if you search rotate your phone into the YouTube, and you will probably get this kind of animation. So you need to add this animation into your video, beginning of the video, then just play the video. So that's how you can simply add a hook which your audience get to know they have to rotate their phone before playing this video. All right, so that's how you can simply do it. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.